This workflow starts in Microsoft Teams, where policy and operations teams are already collaborating. Policy confirms a new proof of income requirement for applicants, and teams need to quickly align on what needs to change, from public guidance to intake procedures and field readiness. Here, ownership and next steps aren't clearly defined, and it's difficult to track how everything connects to the deadline. Right from within Teams, the Deputy Director steps in to create an Asana Gov task using the seamless integration available. The task captures the full context of the conversation, so nothing is lost in the handoff. Now the work has clear ownership, a defined timeline, and a place to coordinate execution. In Asana Gov, the request is immediately organized with standardized fields. Key details like the priority level, impacted offices, request source, work stream, and the policy's effective date are all captured, making the work easy to track and manage from the start. The rollout is broken into clear work streams across teams. Legal reviews the language, policy confirms the requirement, guidance is updated, and field teams prepare for rollout. Each team knows what they own, when it's due, and how it connects to the bigger picture. The full team's conversation is also captured with the task, so all context is carried over, especially helpful when there's a longer discussion. As work progresses in Asana, we can automatically keep teams in the loop. Here, when the rollout reaches a key stage, an Asana rule sends an update directly back into the Policy Operations Coordination channel. This keeps stakeholders informed where they're already working, without needing to manually chase updates. With Microsoft Teams and Asana Gov together, agencies can move from fast collaboration to coordinated, accountable execution, without forcing teams into a brand new way of working. Teams remains the front door for discussion, while Asana Gov provides the structure to assign ownership, track progress, and maintain a clear record of decisions from start to finish.